Hello everyone, my name is Vishnumaya, first year EC. My topic is Common Water Purifier. Common Water Purifier. A common water purifier in local pipes at the source is chlorination system. Chlorine is added to the water to kill bacteria, virus and other microbes. This method is effective in preventing the spread of waterborne disease and ensuring that the water is safe for consumption. This is the rough model of common water purifier. Filtration. This mode involves passing water through a physical filter that removes impurities and contaminants. The filter can be made of various materials such as activated carbon, ceramic or sand, depending on the specific needs of community. Common water purifier is in local pipes in rural areas may not be effective in removal all contaminants from the water. The quality of the water depends on the source and treatment processes used by local authorities. Thank you.